The Greater Yellowlegs is a large and lanky shorebird with very long, bright yellow legs, a long neck, and a thick-faced, long, slightly upturned bill. In breeding plumage, it is a rather striking bird with dense dark bands on the breast and neck. However, most of the time it appears with a more subdued black and white speckling along the back and a finely streaked neck and head. You will find some barring on the flanks and a bright white eye-ring with a dark bill. Greater Yellowlegs use a wide variety of environments, and you'll find them in fresh and brackish wetlands, mudflats, marshes, and around the edge of lakes and ponds. They stride purposefully with a distinctive high-stepping stride, occasionally dashing forward in pursuit of prey. They eat mostly aquatic invertebrates but will take small frogs and fish if they can catch them. Prey is captured in shallow water by swift stabs from the surface.